Hello everyone, this is your daily dose of internet.
Oh. So stupid.
Oh
my gosh. That's ridiculous.
This optical illusion is breaking my brain. This poor puppy can't reach the meats. This man is showing this gorilla some pictures on his phone, but the gorilla is smart enough to realize that you have to swipe to see the next picture. Will you marry me?
Are you lying?
No!
Are you really?
Yeah. These Canadian children were shining a laser at this police helicopter and they hunted them down.
These guys are continuously hitting us here now, so I got 3 of them in the dead end of the court. Okay, Air 2, he's over the fence, he's fled, he's dropped his laser. We're going to stay with the target, we know where the laser is. Just keep walking, about 5 feet, 4 feet, 3 feet, 2 feet, should be right there.
Sell Hawaii 5-0, you ever seen that show? Where there's a drum fill in it that goes...
These things are called axolotls and they're kinda cute in a weird way. That's the end of this video. Hopefully I made your day just a little better, and I'll see you guys again very soon. Later!